RentRedi is a versatile cloud-based property management software designed to help landlords manage their properties, tenants, and finances more efficiently. Tailored to suit both independent landlords and small property management firms, RentRedi offers a wide range of tools for rental management, making tasks like rent collection, tenant screening, and maintenance tracking easier and more streamlined. This video provides an overview of RentRedi, covering its key features, benefits, and why it's an effective choice for modern property management. In today's fast-paced rental market, landlords and property managers face multiple demands, from handling tenant applications and screening to ensuring timely rent payments and maintenance coordination. RentRedi aims to simplify these tasks by consolidating all key management functions into one platform. The software is designed with a user-friendly interface that allows landlords to access their dashboard, manage properties, and communicate with tenants from both desktop and mobile devices. This accessibility makes RentRedi particularly valuable for on-the-go management. So for the key features and benefits of RentRedi, first is the online rent collection. RentRedi's platform includes an online rent collection system, enabling tenants to make payments electronically through multiple options, including ACH, credit card, and debit card. RentRedi also allows tenants to set up recurring payments, which can reduce late payments and improve cash flow for landlords. This system simplifies the rent collection process for both tenants and landlords, reducing the need for manual payments and paperwork. With automated reminders and tracking capabilities, landlords can easily monitor payment status, making it more efficient and transparent. Another feature is the tenant screening. RentRedi offers a built-in tenant screening tool that includes credit checks, background checks, and eviction history. Powered by TransUnion, this feature gives landlords the information they need to assess potential tenants quickly and make informed decisions. This feature saves landlords time by eliminating the need to use third-party screening services and helps them make decisions based on verified information. By streamlining the screening process, RentRedi helps landlords find reliable tenants more efficiently. Another key feature is the maintenance coordination. RentRedi's maintenance tracking and coordination tools allow tenants to submit maintenance requests directly through the platform, where they can describe the issue and upload photos or videos if necessary. Landlords can then assign the request to a maintenance professional and track the status of the repair. This feature simplifies maintenance management, creating a transparent communication channel between tenants and landlords. By managing requests through the app, landlords can keep records of maintenance history and resolve issues faster, enhancing tenant satisfaction. Another key feature is the document storage and e-signatures. RentRedi provides digital storage for important documents like leases and agreements, and it offers e-signature capabilities for signing leases online. This function allows both landlords and tenants to handle lease agreements entirely online, reducing paperwork and increasing convenience. With all documents stored securely in the cloud, landlords can access lease agreements, tenant information, and other records from any device. E-signature functionality streamlines the leasing process, making it easier to complete lease agreements remotely. Another key feature is the tenant communication tools. RentRedi includes a communication portal where landlords and tenants can send messages, share updates, and discuss important issues in a centralized location. This feature supports text and email communication, ensuring that all parties stay informed. Centralized communication reduces miscommunication and provides a clear record of all interactions, which is useful for both landlords and tenants. It helps establish a professional relationship and keeps everyone updated on relevant property matters. Another key feature is the accounting and reporting. RentRedi also includes accounting tools to manage expenses, record income, and generate financial reports. Landlords can track rent payments, maintenance costs, and other property related expenses. These tools help landlords stay organized and maintain accurate financial records, which is essential for tax preparation and financial analysis. By consolidating accounting tasks within the platform, landlords can save time and have a better view of their financial performance. So, why RentRedi is a good choice for property management? RentRedi stands out among property management software solutions because of its affordability and comprehensive feature set, making it accessible for smaller property owners or independent landlords. Its intuitive design and mobile app ensure that landlords can manage properties from anywhere, providing flexibility that traditional methods lack. Additionally, RentRedi's customer support and extensive tutorials make it easy for beginners to get started, allowing them to navigate the system confidently without extensive training. For landlords who need a scalable, all in one solution that combines payment processing, tenant management, maintenance tracking, and communication, RentRedi offers a practical and effective choice. The platform's automation features, such as rent reminders and online payments, help reduce administrative work, allowing landlords to focus on growing their property portfolio and improving tenant satisfaction. Overall, RentRedi's emphasis on ease of use and functionality makes it a valuable tool in the modern property management landscape. In conclusion, RentRedi provides landlords with a complete property management platform that is both easy to use and packed with essential features. From seamless rent collection and tenant screening to document storage and maintenance tracking, RentRedi covers all aspects of property management in one accessible system. Whether you're an independent landlord or managing multiple units, RentRedi can save time, improve organization, and enhance the tenant experience, making it an excellent option for property managers at all levels. With its comprehensive capabilities and focus on efficiency, RentRedi is a powerful tool that enables property managers to streamline their workflows, keep tenants happy, and make informed decisions based on reliable data. So in 2024, as the rental market continues to evolve, RentRedi equips landlords with the tools they need to stay competitive and manage properties more effectively. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.